we'll guide you through how to connect Trello to Google Calendar, making it easier to manage your tasks and deadlines in one place. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Trello website and log into your account. Once you're in, open the board that you want to sync with Google Calendar. Look for the Power-Ups button at the top of the board and click on it. In the Power-Ups menu, use the search bar to find Calendar. Enable it by clicking the Add button. With the Calendar Power-Up enabled, you'll now see a calendar link at the top of your board. Click on it to open the calendar view of your Trello board. Now, to get the link for Google Calendar, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the calendar view and click on it. Here, you'll find an Enable Sync option. Click it, and a unique iCal link will be generated for your board. Copy this link, as you'll need it for the next step. Now, open Google Calendar in another tab and make sure you're signed in. On the left side, find Other Calendars, and click on the pointer icon next to it. Choose from URL from the options presented. Paste the iCal link you copied from Trello into the URL field and hit Add Calendar. Your Trello board will now appear as a calendar in your Google Calendar, allowing you to see all your cards with due dates as events. Remember, changes you make in Trello will automatically update in Google Calendar, but it might take a bit of time to refresh. This integration can really streamline your workflow, helping you keep track of everything without missing a beat. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.